Welcome back to another video. Last time we seen my face was a very long time ago, and I apologize. By the caption, you know that this video is a kind of super beauty guru type thing, and I'm gonna do it. So yeah, my name's Alexis Ferguson, and I'm back. And to my 30 subscribers, you probably didn't even miss me, but I'm back now. So now you're not forced to watch me, but you're forced to see me in your like, I guess, YouTube feed. I don't know. But the first step, I guess you can say, of getting your act together, prepping for summer, is to clean. And cleaning is a very important part, because how can you live your best life in dust? How can you go stupid and crazy in dirt and dust in a mess? You can't. You can't. So we're gonna clean first. I made a list of the things I wanted to go over, things I wanted to do to prep. Okay. I need to fold these clothes, and then I have to wash some clothes. I haven't been recording me cleaning because my hair is up in like these two funky buns because it's hot. I pretty much picked up all the clothes from my floor, and I'm just kind of like getting trash and putting things where it belongs, and it's pretty much boring and you don't care anyway. So
clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share.
okay, so I pretty much finished cleaning. I just have some clothes I need to fold. It's in that little basket right there. And then after that, I'm done cleaning. Like, I'm good.
Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up.
I'm pretty solid. I'm pretty content with the outcome. And now we can move on to the second step. Literally, how do you guys have such symmetrical faces? My face could never do that in a million years, and I'm kind of pressed about it, not gonna lie. We're gonna get some water, and we're gonna hydrate ourselves, and we're gonna do this every day. Now that you have your water, drink it. I can't stress this enough how many times that I filled up a water bottle and then I didn't even drink it. And then when I got thirsty, I went and got like tea or something, which is the dumbest thing, and which is a neck, and I should neck myself for it, but I've learned from my mistakes. So we're good now. Next thing we're gonna talk about is your fruits and your vegetables. Eat that. We just don't want to be on the toilet for longer than we have to because our stomach is going crazy, and we don't want stomach aches because we got constipation, and we don't want our organs to be wilding out because we haven't drunk any water and we are dehydrated. Okay, so this summer, just to remember for your diet how to prep for summer is to remember to drink more water and eat more fruits and more vegetables. So yeah, get it together, sis. Get it together, bro. We're gonna be having the best summer of our lives. Okay, so I'm going to the gym now, and I think that explains itself. So, do you have any plan on what we're gonna work on today? I think we should do the Stairmaster. I love the Stairmaster. We just finished working out, and so tell me why the gym that we go to brings pizza
on Mondays.
on Monday. How am I supposed to lose weight if they out here bringing pizza? I just don't understand how I'm supposed to lose weight if they out here giving us pizza from Papa John's. It's a trap. They get you fat, so you have to keep coming back. It's I mean, it's smart, but. Alrighty, so I just got back from, well, I didn't just get back from the gym. I got back like maybe 45 minutes ago, and then I ate dinner. Anyways, so now I'm going to shower and we're gonna move on. But now we're gonna do the things like shave and skincare and do your toes and stuff like that. Oh, it's already recording. It's so embarrassing. Okay, so I'm out of the shower now and I shaved and everything. And now I'm about to do my skincare and use a face mask because let's get some light on this acne. You see this acne? This acne is not popping. This acne is not doing it for me, so we're gonna try to get rid of that. Like, okay. You see that? Get it while you can. Oh my gosh, Alexis, get it together.
It was at this moment that she knew. She
Messed up. So I kind of messed up my eyebrows a little tad bit. And it's fine. It's fine. Because they're gonna grow back. And it's not the end of the world. You know? There are people with no eyebrows. So. Okay, so now we can put on our face mask. It smells so good. It smells like aloe vera. Which makes sense because it has aloe vera. But it smells like it. So now I have 15 minutes plus forward until it dries. So I'm gonna put the timer on. And it says to relax. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go relax. My face is so tight already. It's been like 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and I forgot what it said, but I mean, all I gotta do now is wash it off, so. And so I wash my face and I put witch hazel and then I apply some eye cream because this summer our sleep schedule is gonna be so messed up, and even though we haven't slept in forever, we don't want it to look like it, so we are gonna get rid of those eye bags. Yes, you feel you'll always be. So I'm assuming this is the top and this is for the bottom. And it says remove foil. Oh yeah, top, bottom. And bend back tray for easy removal. Alrighty. Chances are. Yes, you feel you'll always be. Chances are. They're already looking whiter. Next thing I'm gonna do is my fingernails and my toes. I'm not gonna paint them because my mom said she was gonna paint them, but I'm just gonna like take off the nail polish off my toes, cut my nails, all that good stuff because they need it. They need the work. My heels first with this because my heels are a little crusty. Okay, so I just did my heels and they are so much softer now. And then I'm just gonna, I don't know what I did with my nail polish remover, but this was originally this was gonna be a me glowing up for summer type video that you probably seen millions of times, and this is kind of like this, but instead of me glowing up and looking like a totally different person and looking 10 times better than I do in the beginning, this is just me prepping for summer and doing things that most people do before they start summer and before they start any vacation because they want to look their best and want to feel their best. So this is not me glowing up any sense. This is just me bettering myself.
It was at this moment that she knew. She
Said something stupid. It's pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna put the shea butter on my feet and my heels so that they can be not crusty and dusty. Because we are trying to wear sandals. Can't wear sandals with crusty feet, you know what I mean? You know the people that you see wearing sandals and their feet are so crusty and you want to take a picture and laugh at them on your spam account. I don't want to be on anyone's spam account. I don't want to be on anyone's Facebook account because I got crusty feet and people think that's hilarious. I think that's like the main parts of this video is cleaning water, fruits and vegetables, and shaving, skincare, all of that stuff. So I think we're on a roll. I think we're doing good. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said before, yeah, I've been slacking, but I am back and I'm gonna have so much summer content coming out, vlogs, regular videos, all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, then that's tough. If you did, thanks.